Hey guys, welcome back. This is Bernard from the BTN HD, and today is all about merging PDFs within a Linux operating system. So let's get started. So first things first, within my Kali operating system, I'm going to open up my terminal, and within terminal, I'm going to do lsb_release with a parameter of -a. I just want to show you guys what version I'm running. The next command that I'm going to run is apt-get update. It's going to start retrieving all the updates, and the next one that I'm going to push out will be apt-get upgrade. Make sure that your operating system is always up to, the latest and greatest updates, right? Even for Windows and for Mac OS, make sure that you're running the latest updates. Hit yes and let it install, reboot, do its thing. Now for this tutorial, I'm going to use the following package to merge PDF. And it's pdf-tk. So I'm going to run the command of sudo apt install pdf-tk. Hit enter, hit yes here, enter, and you're done. It's pretty easy. It's a small little package, super simple. The software is mostly command. So if you like doing everything within the terminal, this is for you. Now, within my downloads folder, I have 4 PDFs, BTN-HD-1, -2, -3, and -4. Now, within my terminal, I'm going to do a CD downloads. I'm going to get inside the downloads folder, and I'm going to run the following command. Now, the following command, what it does is I'm going to do a sudo, and I'm going to call the software pdf-tk btnhd-*. Now, asterisk is going to locate all the PDFs 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I'm going to do a cat output btnhd-merge.pdf. So it's going to take all 4 PDFs, merge them together, and call it btnhd-merge.pdf. Once you hit enter, pretty seamless. If you go back inside your downloads folder, you're going to see your new btnhd-merge.pdf. or whatever name you gave it. Now, the following command, sudo pdf-tk btnhd-2.pdf and btnhd-4.pdf cat output btnhd2_4.pdf. So what does this command do? So I'm taking PDF 2 and 4 and combining it, and I'm naming it as btnhd2_4.pdf. Once you hit enter, if you look real close behind the terminal, it's processing it, and eventually it's going to be done. So I just basically took PDF 2 and 4 and I combined it. That's it. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video on how to merge PDFs within a Linux operating system. If you have other ways of merging PDF, leave them at the bottom of the comment section. Let me know how you do it within your Linux operating system. Don't forget about hitting that like button as well as that subscribe button, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.